Congratulations! You've made it to the end of the class and to Module 16. Here we'll have our final assignments, and then you'll be finished with the class. There are no assigned readings this week, but I do recommend that you review all of the assigned novels. The final exam will be in two parts. Part 1 will consist of 30 matching questions. You'll have terms and characters from the novels and from chapters 8 through 12 of Essentials of Children's Literature. You'll have 30 minutes to do those 30 matching questions. Part 2 is the essay exam. For this portion, you'll have 90 minutes to write an essay about a theme that recurs throughout the novels. Once you see the prompt, you'll choose 3 of the novels to use as supporting texts and then write a strong essay in response. After that, there is an extra credit discussion board post if you would like to do it. Watch this short video and then respond to it. If you did any extra credit activities throughout the semester, whether you went to the Learning Center, any Learning Center workshops, if you went to any of the performances or activities on campus, you can submit the confirmation from those to earn up to 5 extra credit points for each activity, up to 30 points total. And there is an end-of-course survey that I would really appreciate everyone to take, just so that I can get a feeling for how you felt about the class, and then you're done. Good luck with your future studies, and thank you for a great semester. Have a great day.